Hey guys, this is Rob with Lukat again. I want to show you guys something about Lukat Fix It. If you look right here, this is a fender, and this has got a lot of scratches and scuff marks. Okay, this is not a scratch remover, but it'll remove scuff marks and light scratches because it reduces them by cleaning them. It's not really cutting into it. So typically you could wet sand, because these scratches, a lot of these are really light. You could wet sand it down, and then you could hit it with this. But I just want to show you how different it'll look. A lot of this will disappear. Are you getting this right here? Okay, so I'm going to use a Lukat Fix It, the paint cleaner, the one that removes the oxidation. I'm going to put it on like that, okay? And I'm using a terry cloth towel folded up in a tight square, and I'm just going to go back and forth, okay? So the point is when you use this, it cleans superficially. A lot of light scratches and scuff marks can be polished out with this, and it'll come out looking beautiful. Not only that, the state of that clear coat in that area will come out way more cleaner, so it'll look better. The gloss and the color will really pop. So all I'm doing is cleaning, okay? I didn't cut the clear, voila. So now only the deeper scratches remain, but all the light ones are gone, okay? That's using the Lukat Fix It paint cleaner, okay? If you got questions, call us. Our number's on the About section. Please like and subscribe. This is Lukat Fix It. It's a paint cleaner. You can order these 24/7 at lukatdetail.com. Can you put that back on here? Look how beautiful that shine came out, okay? And we can wax it afterwards too. I mean, this stuff is good. This is called Easy Wax. Put that on afterwards, and this seals it, protects it, and conditions it. It just makes it just gives it more life. It's gonna look beautiful. So okay, that's all dried up, and look how nice that looks now. Voila. Okay guys, so for light scratches, scuff marks and stuff like that, little slight imperfections and stuff, this stuff is great. Always use this afterwards because it seals and protects it. And now you can actually wax this, because this is a whole process here. It's not about shine and pop. It's about fixing the paint job, the state of the paint job. Okay guys, like and subscribe. Look us up at lukatdetail.com. Order there anytime. Later.